Hey there, it's Miley from Cloud App. We are going to go over in this blog post how to create a business boosting upsell video in 3 steps. But first we'll go over what an upsell video is and why it can be so important and effective in your upsell process. And especially because video is such an easy way to connect with people when you're not there in person. It's a great tool to use when you're able to. We'll also go over the difference between upselling and cross-selling. Basically, upselling is a way of trying to get existing customers who already have a product to increase their spend on a certain product, whereas cross-selling is trying to get them to purchase an entirely different product. So there's the difference there, but we go into a little more detail in the article. And then we'll go over how to create an upsell video. One of the biggest tips is to make sure that you know your audience. Because if you're creating a video without your exact audience in mind, you may be wasting time and it will be less effective. But there are also a ton of other tips on how to actually go about creating it. Another one is to boost upsell videos with upselling techniques. So we'll go over some other upselling techniques that you can use in addition to the video. And then we'll go over 2 video mistakes to avoid. One of them is to put your video on autoplay. We want to make sure that these videos are being used very deliberately and not just an autoplay feature where customers are bombarded without realizing it. So make sure you're using the tool wisely, and it'll work in your favor if you do that. And so hopefully you've found some great tips here, and that you're able to use Cloud App to create your upsell videos. And we look forward to seeing your success.